Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So I am here in Transylvania on the Hargita mountains, and that's beautiful. So just these great mountains everywhere, and also we are hiking and enjoying that being in nature. So let's get into the crypto stuff. Let's see what's happening out there. We see that the market is mixed. Some coins are correcting like XLM, but it's rallied really nicely, and few other altcoins are just pumping like our favorite GMX. So let's go and check out our favorite crypto and fear index, and we see that the market is neutral, so nothing special happening out there. Let's go and check out our first news. Bitcoin Bollinger Bands echo move that ended in 40% January gains. So strong reaction now that BTC Bollinger Bands are at their most compact since the start of 2023. Okay, strong moves. Seems like BTC is exhausted many traders' patience. So this is how sideways movement is just killing everybody. That it's usually the condition you see before strong moves. Not sure about the direction tough. I will stick with my well-defined boundaries. I know that increased volatility is around the corner. Capture the discretional move. So guys, if I'm looking on this chart and I see flags, bull flags and bullish patterns, so I expect to break to the upside. The digital asset market continues to see remarkable little volatility, with the classic 20-day Bollinger Bands experiencing an extra squeeze. So this is the Bollinger Bands. Let's check this out, and you see that when the Bollinger Bands is getting really close to each other, these moving averages, that signals that huge volatility will come someday. You see every time it was in this purple or whatever color, then a huge move followed. Okay, Bitcoin holders channel early 2019. Okay, so the volatility is matched by cyclical lows in realized profits and loss being logged in the market. As such, I suggest that even though the Bitcoin market cap is 2x larger today, investors who are holding large profits or losses are extremely unwilling to spend their coin on cash. So investors don't want to sell their Bitcoins. The total realized value 290 million per day. So short-term hodlers 44% and 88% in profit. So that looks pretty cool. So short-term hodlers realized value is in profit. Cool. Let's go and check out our next news. Let's see. Indonesia launches its crypto exchange and clearing house. So huge crypto adoption in Indonesia. They started its own crypto exchange, and that could be a really huge catalyst for them. Roughly 4% of the country's population, or just under 11 million people, had invested in crypto, so there is a huge space to grow. And this crypto exchange, an active crypto exchange with a national registration, could join the exchange. So exchanges should be registered and just connecting to this clearing house. Cool. Next piece of news is 280 days until Bitcoin halving. How did previous cycles looks like here? So guys, some motorbikes are going up to the mountain. So sorry for the noise. 280 days until Bitcoin halving. How did previous cycles looks like here? So next Bitcoin halving is only around 280 days away now, and let's check how different cycles looks like. This is a cycle peaks and cycle bottoms. 280 days, so we are away 280 days to the halving, and you see different colors, the different cycles, and now we are with this purple, and then we are just left. So just imagine that it's signaling, if we are checking the previous cycles, more than $200,000 for one Bitcoin. So in terms where the last two cycles were at the stage of ongoing cycle epoch. Okay, so BTC price now consolidating below or just around 30,000 US dollars. Cool. So guys, let's go and check out our next news. BlackRock ETF will be big rubber yes stamp for Bitcoin, according to Charles Edward from Caprioli Investment. So, okay, Charles Edwards MVT is currently trading at normal level at 202. It is trading in the middle of the dynamic range band, well below the 2021 highs. Given its normalized reading today, it doesn't tell us much, just that Bitcoin is fairly valued according to the metric alone. So Bitcoin is at fair value if we are checking this dynamic range NVT signal. NVT is currently okay, so yes. Cool. So let's check what he's saying. Price alerts. Price gives 32,000 and daily weekly time frames, or price mean reverts to the mid 20,000 US dollars, or on-chain fundamentals return to a regime of growth. In 30% harder to mine Bitcoin, there is 30% more competition, and as a result, 50% more, 33% less relative BTC revenue for miners. Miners are large Bitcoin stakeholders, so if they are selling at a rapid rate, it can impact prices. Tough, given their relative share of the network is diminishing, that this factor is not what it once was. So this is signaling capitulation and buy, capitulation and buy, and now we are after capitulation. Okay, miners rest selling, so miners are not selling yet. Actually, they capitulated. Cool. Regardless, the Fed has implemented the vast majority of rates hike plan. 90% of the tightening is complete. It's now a game of wait and see. Will inflation continue to decline as anticipated? Another chart that Bitcoin is sidewaying now, and this Bitcoin correlation went from 0 to their highest on record during the Corona crash. So correlation to what? Correlation with the rate hikes. BlackRock's ETF has 99.8% success rate, and its announcement to launch a Bitcoin was ETF essentially a regulatory and financial industry green light. So guys, that's a great news, and let's check out our next news. Ripple effect over 4,000 US banks poised to embrace Ripple following XRP court triumph. So, okay, so Ripple is used, XRP is used as a cross-border payment solution, and US banks, it suggests that over 4,000 US commercial banks controlling more than 23.7 trillion US dollar in combined assets may leverage Ripple on-demand liquidity for efficient money transfers. And this is on the ETH news, so quite interesting. Another news, okay, top 10 reasons why to buy Bitcoin, and let's check our Twitter feed. So definitely follow at MIKLOS on Twitter, and also be sure you are following at Corion Platform and at laserpunk_gods. So Ripple effect, you can also check this article here, and then you can reach out to this article. So cash out USDC on Stellar, XLM at MoneyGram locations. So big congratulations to Stellar team, and give a like and share the news. From capitulation to accumulation and then distribution. So it was shared by Will Clementi, and you see that the non-realized profit, Bitcoin holders are in a realized profit again. Dormant Bitcoin is the best Bitcoin. So more than 55% of Bitcoin supply hasn't moved at least 2 years. And it's a quite interesting analysis here. Could XRP reach 40 US dollar by September? I don't know, but Crypto Bull is hoping for so, and he is examining the that the same monthly percentage increase price will hit 1.7 this month, $6 in August, and around $40 in September. If this 2017 pattern repeating. So breaking news that Tesla has added Bitcoin back into their code for payments on their website. So this is huge. Check out. You can also check out yourself. Tesla added Bitcoin. So I think they will announce it very, very soon. Stock money lizards expect that possible retracement to 28.4 thousand in the short term. And Mustache Crypto Proof is seeing a bullish MACD bullish cross on this chart. So guys, that's it. Definitely go to PancakeSwap, buy some CorionX and provide some liquidity, and with this you can lock up your LPs and earn more than 60% APRs. So definitely check out our farms and provide some liquidity. Bitcoin is doing its own sideways movement, and we are building up a long position here. So whenever it's going below 30,000, that we are adding to our long-term holdings, and also adding to our long positions. So guys, hope you enjoyed, hope you like Transylvania. So definitely this is also this was part of Hungary, my home country, and definitely you should come, because still in this region many Hungarians living here, and this is a unique place. So guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.